Hello, everyone. Green pepper shredded pork is a classic Chinese home-cooked dish. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make this dish. The meat is tender and very delicious. Prepare a piece of pork loin. First, slice the pork loin thinly. Then stack the sliced meat and cut it into shredded meat. Wash the shredded meat in clean water to remove excess blood. Put the washed shredded meat in a bowl. Add a little salt. Add a little pepper. A little dark soy sauce. Then add a little water and stir. Let the shredded meat absorb the seasoning and moisture. Then add a little starch. Mix well again. This will make the shredded meat flavorful and tender. Prepare 3 green bell peppers. Wash them. Use a knife to cut off the root end of the green pepper. Then cut the peppers in half. Use the back of the knife to remove the seeds inside the peppers. After removing the seeds, stack the peppers and cut them into strips. If you like it spicy, you can use a different variety of peppers. After cutting the peppers into strips, place them in a bowl. Prepare a large scallion and chop it into small pieces. Prepare 3 cloves of garlic. Crush them with a knife. Then chop them finely. Then prepare a piece of ginger and cut it into thin strips. Place the chopped scallion, garlic, and ginger in a plate. Prepare an empty bowl and add a spoonful of salt. Add a small amount of chicken bouillon powder and white pepper. Then add an appropriate amount of light soy sauce. Next, add an appropriate amount of water. Mix well and set aside. Heat a wok and add an appropriate amount of cooking oil. Add the marinated shredded meat to the wok. Use a spoon to separate the meat. If you don't have a non-stick wok, make sure to heat the wok before adding oil to prevent sticking. Keep stirring with a spoon. Stir fry until the meat turns white on the surface. Pour out the excess oil using a colander. Heat the wok again and add a small amount of cooking oil. Add the chopped scallion and ginger to the wok and stir fry over high heat until fragrant. Then add the chopped garlic to the wok. Stir fry until fragrant. Then add the chili strips to the wok. Stir fry over high heat. Then pour in the pre-prepared sauce. Stir fry over high heat until well mixed. Add the stir-fried pork strips back into the wok. Quickly stir fry. The stirring time should not be too long at this point. After stirring evenly, transfer to a plate. This way, the dish of green pepper shredded pork is ready. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and try making it.